Lolo guys. Ang mga akong bruha. At namalengke si Inday. Tayo'y mag haul. Haul tayo ng ating pinamili. So we got prawn cocktail, tripod ni Lolo, tripod, yoga. So all healthy living, all healthy foods. So another trifle. Trifle ulit. Favorite. There's some sprout. Sprout pa more. And baba natin para makita natin. So ayan. Sprouts. Trifle. Yoga. Cheddar cheese. Salmon, fish. Some fresh. Ay, nalaglag siya. Some fresh melon. And we have some Toulouse sausage. Toulouse sausage daw from the butcher. And ay, pagka lamb chops. May focus sa lamb chops. That's all, folks. Nagtuwad yung beer ni Lolo. Bye!